Hey guys, I have got this 20-watt cool graffiti design Bluetooth speaker which has got everything you wanted to have, starting with the output, which is 20 watt, playtime 24 hours, support a micro SD card, USB port, USB-C charging port, and 3.5mm auxiliary for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. And on top of it, you shouldn't be afraid of taking this speaker on your pool parties. Come with the IPX7 water resistance rating. Would like to know more about it? Stay tuned. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video, we are looking into MiFa A10 Plus, which come with the audio power output of 20 watts, IPX7 water resistant, 360-degree surround sound, come with the latest and greatest Bluetooth 5.0 with the mobile phone hands-free call support. Now within my video reviews, I tend to go extra mile, showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing, starting with the unboxing, showing around the product, following with the demonstration, and the conclusion in the end. So if that is something you are looking for, why not hit the subscribe button. Now let's check out what comes with this Bluetooth speaker. The speaker, you get one multi-language supporting user manual, one 1 meter long USB-C type charging cable, one 3.5mm 1 meter long auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, a lanyard, and now in last but not least, MiFa A10 Plus Bluetooth speaker, which is in black graffiti color, available in multiple ranges. I will leave a link for them all in a video description, so why not check them out. Now there are two line drivers in the front of a speaker and passive radiator from side to side. All the buttons to control your Bluetooth speaker are available on the top, starting with the power on and off, true wireless stereo connectivity, Bluetooth pairing button, play and pause your music, and a volume control, which are also multifunctional, so you can navigate within your playlist as well. On the top, you also have a microphone input for hands-free calls. And on the back of a speaker within IPX7 compartment, you're going to have an access for your 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, USB out actually, so you can charge your mobile phone as well if you want to, and micro SD card slot which can go up to 128 gigabytes, so you can play music from your SD card, and a USB-C port to charge your speaker, which make this speaker future proof for sure. Now under the base of speaker, I have seen unique studs which are like a suction cup, kind of help you when you put the speaker on the floor. If you push it downwards, it kind of holds it. Actually, you can see that is, kind of holding it, which will help you to have a solid basis throughout. And let's not forget about insert for lanyard, which will be kind of straightforward. A10 Plus looks awesome from the design side. A graffiti design in the front and the back looks awesome. If it's in your hand, if you show it around, it looks awesome too. From the build quality, it's not that bad at all. They have thought quite a lot of detail around it. Now process of pairing this Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward. Press and hold on a power on button. You're going to hear an audible notification, and by going into the Bluetooth setting of your mobile phone, within available devices, you should be able to locate MiFa A10 Plus. Click on it and click pair button. Now one of the feature of this speaker is the hands-free call. So I'm showing you the recording which you're going to hear from now on is actually recorded by this A10 Plus. Now I can say whatever I want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I hope you can hear it very clearly. I have not seen the quality at all, guys. You will be the judge of it. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the audio performance, where I will be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube. And I would highly recommend every one of you to use earphones if possible. Well, here I am in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything a user should know about this MiFa A10 Plus Bluetooth speaker with the output of 20 watts. Not that bad at all. Come with all the features which we discussed, actually IPX7, and the play time, which is actually 24-hour. That is what they claim. Actually, I have not really found any information in terms of what is the battery life. Now, the feature which I like the most about this Bluetooth speaker is the design and the output it throws out. 20 watt in a small package isn't that bad at all, and under the base suction cups is a fantastic idea, to be honest with you guys. It's just like this: you put it on a floor or a kind of a plain surface, it sticks to it, so a bass cannot actually move it. You can only lift it off, you can hear the clicking sound, okay, because it locks itself, so there's no distortion in the bass. Now, in terms of frequency response, it is from 20 hertz to about 20 kilohertz, kind of okayish, actually not that bad. Now, if you still have any more questions about this Bluetooth speaker, do let me know in the comment section down below. I will put a further more specification and where you can purchase it from in the video description too. Now, that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.